Hey team, in this Delfast how-to video, we'll be going over the Delfast Pneumatic post stapler. Let's get into it. To load this tool, simply pull the pusher back, lock it to the side, grab your ribbed 50 by 4mm post staples, load into the side, and simply guide up like so. Now we're going to set our depth adjustment using a 4mm Allen key on the nose, cracking the bolt and setting to our required depth. Once this is set, we're going to tighten up the 4mm bolt like so. For demonstrating purposes, we're just going to be firing into a wooden batten. Before we fire the tool, we're always going to make sure that we have the correct PPE, being ear protection and eye protection. Tool is all loaded, ready to go. I'm going to plug in our air supply to the bottom of the tool, like so. And to actuate the tool, simply by pressing down on the nose and pressing the trigger. Alright, to oil your tool, firstly disconnect your hose, grab your oil, up the spout, 4 drops, take out and connect your hose back up, and that will force the oil to the inside of the tool. And there you have it team. Thanks for watching this how-to video on the Delfast Pneumatic post stapler.